thank you for visiting. This is Jackie from the Dave Forsyth Band with Quick Flip Decor. Now today we are going to decorate the room for an Easter brunch. Now this is using items you already have. You might want to purchase a couple things, Easter grass and of course more chocolates. And we will set the table up for 4 for an Easter brunch or lunch. You can watch me how I do this. This is really quick. The trick is to gather all the things you are going to use and have them right with you while you set up. Okay, let's start with this. Now this shouldn't take, and there we go. So we're going to put a floral tablecloth on, which is really quite with the trend this year, florals. And we have our floral cushion. And here is my basket of goodies. And here we go. The basket. Now all you need is one of your older baskets, or you can purchase one and put a little bunny in there, so that's kind of cute. Some green glassware, they're quite attractive. And here we go with another little egg design. And there we are with our plates. Okay, so I've taken the green plates and matched them up with the green glasses. And here we have some napkins with napkin holders. They're quite fun. And here we go with the little vine ivy that we had here. We'll just stick it in a little egg. Now here's a trick. Take a little rosebud, a little silk rosebud, and flip one side out, and you have an attractive looking spring flower. Now don't forget your little light. Now in your basket you want to put in some eggs, little colored eggs that you colored earlier, and some of mine have been blown out, so they're nice and light. Where do we have our little rabbit peeking out there? Thing you want to. Now I made these little bunnies. They're little bunny heads, got them from the dollar store with some cello, some goodies inside, and they are just going to sit right here. Now with your table, you want everything to be relatively low, so don't make it too high. You want so that when you're talking you can see each other. And these will just stick in here. They're nice little gifts for your guests. And we have a few more little eggs, little styrofoam sparkly ones. They're very sweet. Throw in a couple of chicks. There you go. A little more color. And I will put some eggs in this tree. Oh, and another thing, I have these lovely little butterflies that were given to me one year. I adore them. They're nice and sparkly. There we go. Maybe we'll just stick those in there. There you have it. You're all set. And it took you a matter of a few minutes. Okay, so thank you very much for joining us. This has been Jackie Forsyth with Quick Flip Decor. Have a very happy Easter.
There are many more videos on the Dave Forsyth Band channel, so please come on over and subscribe. We've got a few new ones coming up real quick, along with a few live feeds, so don't forget to check back regularly.